What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to part 2 of my Vietnam vlogs. Right now I'm at the Tan Son Nhat International Airport in Ho Chi Minh City, heading to Nha Trang. Alright, I went through check-in, Ho Chi Minh International Airport. Now I'm boarding the plane to Nha Trang, alright? See y'all there. Meeting up with my buddy Leon and his friends. I'm gonna spend probably a couple days there during the TET holiday. Right now it's January 26th. We are going to try and do a lot of things during that short period of time. This is my third trip to Vietnam, and the reason I'm here so frequently, part of my roots, the culture shock. Everything was really more than what I anticipated. I've made a lot of friends in Vietnam during my first and second trip, and we've been keeping in touch ever since through Skype, Facebook Messenger, you name it. And I'm in Nha Trang, the coastline of Vietnam. Before leaving the airport, make sure you purchase a taxi voucher. Then give that voucher to the taxi driver and tell them where you want to go. I'm here at the beach in Nha Trang. Over there is Vin Pearl, which is a man-made island. It's really similar to PNE in Vancouver. And here is the main monument and trademark of Nha Trang. When people see this, they know they're in Nha Trang. And here's the view from our hotel at night, which is coincidentally facing that tower. I finally met up with my friends for dinner. So we're in Nha Trang right now.
What up?
Hello. There's Leon right there.
You should be singing in Vietnamese.
Yeah. Bang Nay, Leon, Bang Kua, Tôi.
Not better than mine.
After having dinner, we all headed back to the hotel to get ready to check out a nightclub. Here in this photo is the famous Skylight nightclub. This photo is brought to you by the Skylight nightclub website. Any place that has a rooftop or patio, I love. And here's a photo that I took with my own camera. Look at the view. This nightclub had a really good vibe. We stayed for a bit, but ended up finishing the night at a club called Zima, which is a really fun club for foreigners. January 28th, we're in Nha Trang. Now we're gonna have breakfast at a place in Nha Trang, and then from here, probably go to a place called Let. What's up? Those are my friends Loy and Leon, and this is what we were eating. It's pronounced bún bò Huế, which is a spicy noodle soup from central Vietnam. Right now, the three of us are heading to the nearby jewelry store to exchange money so we can meet up with the friends for lunch. Alright, we're crossing the street. The key is to keep walking and riders will avoid you. It's not bad, it wasn't that busy. It's not as busy as Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. Alright, so some appies arrived. For example, this thing here. There you go. Heard it.
Very good, very good.
What else did we get?
Lots of things, of food. It's delicious. Don't put me on the spot like this. Canh chua. Canh chua nè.
This is fried fish.
No, what else?
What do you call it? One big bowl of happiness.
Is it? There's one more.
Go ahead, one more.
Tông better. Tông.
And that's it for Nha Trang, everyone. Me, Loy, and Leon said our goodbyes to Calvin, Pablo, and Belinda. Leon and I are looking forward to meeting her family in the village. We're gonna stay there for a few days and then come back to Nha Trang. Hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.